Welcome to AI and QR Code Enabled Smart Anatomy Museum at Dr. Chandrama Dayanandasagar Institute of Medical Education and Research. Demonstration of Triangle of Auscultation by Dr. Vinay Kumar Shetty, Professor and HOD.
So this is the triangle of auscultation on the right hand side. So this is muscle trapezius. So one boundary is the trapezius, the other boundary, this muscle is latissimus dorsi, upper border of latissimus dorsi. The other border of triangle of auscultation is medial border of scapula. So these are the three boundaries of triangle of auscultation.